to my channel. I am Arman here, and today I'm going to talk about how to download the YouTube videos to your computer or your laptop just in a minute. So let's know how to download YouTube videos in just a minute for your PC. First of all, you have to open your browser. After that, just type into search bar the y2mate.com. Open this website. I'll also give the link in the description down below. So after opening this website, just you can see here, this is the website. You can download video and edit from your YouTube. And after that, I will go to my YouTube. So what we have to do here we have to just open any video that we want to download that video. For example, I want to download this video. Here I want to download this video, and what I have to just right click on this and click on copy video URL. After doing this, you have to go back to that website y2mate.com, and here what you have to do, just right click and paste that link. After pasting that link, what you have to do is, here you can see here a lot of options are present here, and like a lot of formats are here. I can download in every format that I want here. After I just jump to the MP3 tab, you can see here I can jump to the MP3. I can download it as an MP3 format, and I can jump to the audio tab. I can download this as an MP3, M4A. A lot of formats are here. I can download easily in the YouTube video from here. So for example, I want to download this video in this format. So what I have to do, just click on this download button, and next I have to just again click on download option. Now your videos will direct download. You can see here my video is direct downloaded. It is of course downloaded here. So guys, this was the video that helped you. I hope it helped you a lot, because here you can download your videos easily directly to your computer or your laptop just in a minute. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe my channel. Also make sure to press the bell icon for my upcoming updates. So guys, thank you so much. See you in the next one.